What a victory for Chelsea tonight as they dismantled the Hull City, just as expected anyway. And kudos to Neto, kudos to Pedro Neto, for getting his first ever hat-trick for Chelsea. I think he's been working hard, though he's a little bit inconsistent. But in terms of always getting the goals for Chelsea, I think he has been up there with the rest of the players helping Chelsea. So it was good to see him getting a hat-trick, for the first time since he joined Chelsea. So kudos to him. But I want to say something very, very important. Please, whoever that brought Garnacho to Chelsea, whoever that brought Garnacho to Chelsea should come and take him. Yes, they should come and take him out from Chelsea because I can't just understand what that guy is doing at Chelsea. Remember last time Chelsea, defeated Charlton, scoring 5 goals on the process. Garnacho played, but he did not provide even one assist or scoring any goal. And today he played again, and Chelsea scored 4 goals. And as a winger, he didn't get even a single goal. This is worrisome, if you ask me. So Garnacho is not adding up at all. And it's really, really unfortunate. Remember that Jamie Gittins is out there injured, and nobody knows that he's injured. When you are worthless to the team, when you don't contribute nothing to the team, if you're out injured, nobody will be worried. It is only top players or players that contributes to the team that when they are out injured, everybody will be worried. People will be, asking when would they come back? When would they come back? But Jamie Gittins has been out injured and nobody cares. And I'm very sure that if Garnacho also gets injured and be sidelined, I honestly think that nobody would even think of him. Kudos to Mamadou Sarr today, starting his first game for Chelsea and finishing his first game. I'm not saying this is his first game anywhere at Chelsea. I'm only saying that this is his first ever 90 minutes as a Chelsea player. He did well, at least make sure that Chelsea didn't concede any goal at the end of the day. So overall, it was a good performance. Chelsea has advanced to the next round of the FA Cup. Kudos to manager Leandro Zene for recording yet another victory. And may I not forget to also recognize Estevao Willian that also, chipped in a goal. It was a good performance on his side. So kudos to the team, kudos to the manager as Chelsea look forward to the next game.